Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best camping chairs Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Coleman Cooler Quad Chair. This roomy seat has a fork and cooler attached. This affordable, durable, comfortable chair is tailored to those who like their refreshments. The cooler pocket fits 4 standard cans and zips up to insulate your beverages of choice. In addition to the cooler, the chair has a mesh cup holder, 2 mesh pockets, and a roomy seat that's 24 inches wide. It easily folds up and slips into its shoulder strap carrying bag and is lightweight enough to carry to a picnic. While the padded seat and armrests are great for campers who like a cushion feel, some may find the chair lacking in back support. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kijaro Dual Lock Camping Chair. The Kijaro Dual Lock Camping Chair has everything you need for a convenient and comfortable stay in the wilderness. Equipped with a locking feature that ensures it stays taut, this chair immediately impressed testers with its standout comfort and sturdiness. The firm yet cozy seat is supportive enough to sit in for hours, and testers were particularly pleased by how supportive the armrests were compared to other chairs with a similar design. They also loved that the breathable mesh back promotes airflow for some cooling on hot days. Thoughtful features like a zippered pocket for securing valuables, a mesh cell phone pouch, and 2 cup holders make the Kijaro exceptionally convenient for everything from tailgates to beach days. It's available in 11 colors, many of which are unique in the outdoor product space. The chair comes with a carrying bag but also has a shoulder strap attached directly to its frame in case you want to ditch the sack. All this at a good price, making it an incredible value for a comfy camp chair that's built to last through countless seasons. Number 3. Our third best pick is Coleman Portable Deck Chair. Its rigid backrest is perfect for sitting upright at mealtime. Coleman's heavy-duty outdoor chair with a side table can transform your camping mealtimes. An aluminum side table flips up when you're ready to feast and includes a cup holder. The chair's backrest is slightly angled, and testers who prefer firm support enjoyed the strong, taut fabric. Thanks to the extra space for cup handles, mugs easily fit in the beverage slot. Although it doesn't come with a carrying bag, the chair has 2 built-in handles. The Coleman chair does have a unique folding design that our testers did not find very intuitive, but it worked smoothly once they got the hang of lifting up the sides of the seatbed to collapse the chair. For car campers looking to simplify their dining routine, it's a nice addition to your gear collection. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Helinox Chair Zero Ultralight Compact Camping Chair. For an ultra-lightweight chair that's ready to make your hiking breaks a breeze, opt for the Helinox Chair Zero. It has 2 open panels in the seat back for breathability, and when packed up in its ripstop polyester stuffed sack, it's totally tiny. We love that setup is quick and easy, because no one needs to struggle with poles after sweating it out on the trails. Its lightweight was also impressive. When we threw it around to assess its durability, the chair basically sailed like a feather. We have no doubt the aluminum frame and UV-resistant polyester seat are designed to last through years upon years of outdoor seasons. The chair and sack are also machine washable, so you can always head out on a hike feeling fresh. Like many ultralight chairs structured with a pole base, it will sink into soft ground like snow or sand, but Helinox makes a ground sheet you can buy to make the chair more versatile. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Kelty Low Love Seat Camping Chair. Our testers were downright giddy over this spacious, cleverly designed outdoor love seat. The 2-seater slips in and out of a slot in the wrap-up, tote-style carrier, which can be expanded to fit other gear for storage and double as a dog mat when the chair is in use. When it comes to comfort, the Kelty Low Love seat was one of the most outstanding during our test. It has more than enough room for 2 people, and perhaps a pet, to lounge. If you want even more room, Kelty also makes a party-sized couch with plenty of space for 3 people. Sturdy, padded fabric forms a supportive high back and adjustable armrests. The low height instantly turns the ground into a footrest, and the seat is wide enough to provide leg support that makes you feel like you're reclining. Ready for the rough and tumble outdoor life, the Love seat posed virtually no knockover risk. It comes in 4 unique color block patterns that give it a chicer look than your typical camp chair. Kelty also went the extra mile when it came to cup holders. Each armrest has space for 2 beverages and is insulated to maintain temperature. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.